Hi, I'm Paul Kaperdal. I'm the CTO and founder of Sensar Marine. So we are here at the NMEA conference and introducing our new expansion hub to our Sensar Marine boat monitor. We've had a boat monitor in the market now for going on almost 7 years, operating first in Europe and the last several years here in the United States. Operating globally. It is rock solid. It is a no parasitic draw unit. We're getting tremendous feedback on that in particular. The radio technology that we're using in this is one that ensures that it works globally. So it'll work in the mainland United States, Canada, Caribbean, Europe, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, and South America. This will work globally. We are very happy to be able to introduce the expansion hub. That is the companion product to this. And it's kind of following the same principle. With the expansion hub, we'll be able to add a theft alarm. We'll be able to connect to a fire alarm system. And we'll also be able to connect and have a shore power alarm. In addition to that, we are expanding the number of battery banks that we are supporting. So with this, we'll be able to support 2 additional batteries, one of which can be a special battery like a trolling motor battery, where it does not require common ground. So if it's not connected to common ground and about, we'll be able to monitor that as well. In addition to that, the whole system is going to support 48-volt batteries. So we can go 12, 24, 36, or 48. Volt on the whole system. We're also expanding so we can support multiple bilge pump banks. So we are expanding to 2 banks of bilge pumps. We also have a satellite connection. So with an external satellite antenna, we can support satellite connectivity as well. Also, very interesting, we have an NMEA connection here. And along the same principles we have on this on a core unit, on a boat monitor, is everything should be easy to install, easy to use. So there should be no configuration in order to get going. So with this unit, we have the NMEA 2000 connection. You just connect the backbone network to this unit. Once you connect your NMEA 2000 backbone network to this unit, we will take a defined set of PGNs and upload all of that information to the cloud and also to the app. This will give you primarily end of trip information so that you know all the information you have that is associated with a particular trip. That way you will get tank volume, you will get hours on the engines, and then also other relevant information that we will get from the NMEA 2000 bus. With the NMEA 2000 information, we will expand the app to also then have information where all of the information will then be presented directly in here. So there's a lot of information, and we will just summarize that. So if you have multiple engines, we will support that. And then we will also adding information in our trip log, where we also can go to specific points of time and get data from the NMEA devices at that point in time. That is an extra feature, and we will come back with details on that at a later time. The expansion hub is powered from our core unit. And what that means is that the power management that we already have in place here, the low battery power, no parasitic draw, we're trying to take all of that capability into the boat monitor, but that way making it extremely easy to install because it is just a simple connection between the 2 units. It does not require any additional power, and everything is using our quick connectors. For the analog ports, we will have a cable that is really designed for installers and those that have proper equipment to install, because we know that there's a greater variation in terms of how do you want this to be installed in the boat. But that's all clearly marked and should be extremely easy to follow. We have some future components on here. I'm not going to talk about those today, but there is more capability built into this that we're going to be able to enable at a later time. So, we're extremely happy to be able to announce this here at the NMEA 2025 conference. So first of all, we've been working toward to get that ready. Availability for the expansion hub is going to be late fourth quarter. We will be starting to take orders in not too long, but late fourth quarter. The satellite capability will be early first quarter. We of course are very excited about this. We're also going to be presenting this at IBEX. We're also going to be at METS, and you're probably going to see us at many other shows here going forward. We're extremely excited about this because our core unit has proven very, very capable and be able to support everything from a small boat to a large boat. You know, 16-footer, 18-footers, or sweet spot in from 20 to 30. But with this, we'll be able to also support the more complex installation. And for those that have fleets, either their own fleets or fleet of boats, boat builders, or anybody who's managing any type of fleet, they can now actually have a solution that kind of covers that. The shore power monitoring, not sure if I mentioned that, but we are of course very excited about adding that too, and making again a very simple to use capability in the system that will automatically arm itself once you connect shore power. And we know at this point you are armed and we want shore power to be monitored, and we'll send you an SMS if you were to lose it. And this follows the principles on everything else that we do, where everything is pre-configured, easy to install, easy to use.